Hey, what's up guys? Eric here. Welcome back to another video. Today is day 159. Hope all of you guys are doing well today. I'm outside. It's dark right now. And can you guys hear that weird noise? Can you guys hear that? What do you think that is? It's actually super dark. I'm just hanging outside right now, guys. Look at how dark it is. That's not the moon, but there's a star over there. There's a star over there. But there's a weird noise coming from back there. Let me know what you guys think it is. Do you think it's a frog? Do you think it's a bird? It's not a bird because well, there's birds out, but it's nighttime. So, yeah, is that a frog? Is that a cricket? Is that a vampire? Let me know, guys. Let me know. Sorry it's dark. I don't know if you guys can see me that well. It's super dark out right now. Hope you guys are having a good Friday. Haven't done a outside dark vlog in a while. Last time I did, it was like snowing, but yeah, the noise went away, so I think we're safe. But guys, leave a comment down below. What do you think that weird noise was? And oh my God, yo, there's fireworks over there. Somebody's launching off fireworks. I thought I was the only one that had fire. That's so weird. Nobody ever launches off fireworks. I'm the only one that like plays with fireworks. I don't know if you guys caught that, but yeah, leave a comment down below. Oh, there's a bird. Leave a comment down below. What do you think that noise was, guys? That noise right there. What do you think it is? Facebook, Twitter, Instagram is down below. The website is erickane.com. And yeah, it's gonna do it, guys. Are they gonna launch off another firework? I don't know if you guys saw that. It was between the trees over there. So yeah. Anyways, guys, it's gonna do it. Hope you guys are doing well. We're gonna keep the streak alive. Thanks for watching. It's been Eric, and I'll see you guys right back here tomorrow. Peace.